eyes on you, famous Mrs. Sweeney.
How much can you really know about anyone?
There's no such thing as a coincidence.
Jag har en jättestor grej på gång.
But you thought wrong.
We're gonna find a way home.
It's gonna be a hell of a ride.
I bleeping loved it. The show that's unlike anything you've ever seen before.
This is on fire.
Are you guys ready to party?
I don't know if I need a chair or a sick bag.
You gotta put stuff like that in the book.
What's he doing? What he does.
Never a dull moment.